Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to quickly accept all the changes in Grammarly. This is super helpful when you have a long document and don't want to click through every single suggestion one by one. So let's get started. First, you have to open your document. Once you are in, you will see a Grammarly icon at the bottom right side of your screen. You just have to select your text that you want to improve or make changes in it, and then just click on improve it or uh, tell us Grammarly about your changes you want to do. So after that, you will see that Grammarly have provided the suggestions to improve uh, your selected paragraph. It's about the correctness, the clarity, and so on. So Grammarly will automatically apply every correction in your document at once, super quick and efficient. And that's it. You have just learned how to accept all the changes in Grammarly in one click. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.